Gonna make an eggplant or aubergine or brinjal curry today. Really nice and easy, really simple to make, tastes fantastic. Vegetarian, healthy, vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to go straight in on this one today. I've got some oil in there. I've got 3 tablespoons. I'm using the sunflower oil. You can change that if you want. Here I've got 3 green cardamom pods and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. I've just put the heat on. We're on an above medium heat. I just want a few seconds to let the seeds do their thing in that oil. They'll infuse it and give it a nice little flavor, so don't skip this point. Then we're going to go in with 1 cup of onion. I've sliced that. And we're going to add next our eggplant. So I've got 1 decent sized eggplant, which I've cut nice and small, as you'll see in a moment. So it's about 3 or 4 cups. In that goes. And on this above medium heat, let's go for 5 minutes and stir it quite often. They're toasting away really nicely in there. Next up, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Now, garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of the 2. You can buy it in jars in most stores, depending on where you live. We're now going to add some tomato. There's 2 cups of tomato there. Try and use a nice juicy, ripe tomato. It makes a big difference. We're going to add some salt. And then I'm going for the big 4. So 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 of cumin, 2 of coriander, and 2 of chili powder. In that goes. And stay on this high heat. What we're going to do is cook this for about another 5 minutes, and hopefully we get some moisture or liquid from the tomatoes. Hence, that's why I said use a nice ripe, juicy tomato. So you can see I've got that moisture from the tomatoes there. If you haven't, you could just add a little splash of water. Right, I'm going to add some fresh chili. I mean, that's entirely up to you, the amount you put in. And I'm going to lower the heat down to a simmer. Nice low heat. And I want this to go just for another 5 minutes. Beautiful. And that really is beautiful. Check that for salt. You got yourself a really nice eggplant curry there. Really nice. And there you go. You can have that with some bread, roti, chapati, something like that, or some rice. Fantastic. I just put a little bit of cilantro or coriander on the top. That's it. Nice and easy, beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, do the old subscribe thing, will ya? See you soon. Lots of love.